industrial dust collectors provide a cleaner environment for products and workers. When a new dust collector is commissioned, the technician will calculate air volume and velocity to optimize dust control. This data will be used to set the fan damper position. Over time, as the filters absorb more dust, the fan damper settings may need increasing. However, if the damper position is not adjusted back during scheduled service, the dust collector will be operating at airflows much higher than designed, resulting in increased energy consumption and decreased filter life.